This is the OEDRO Guardian running board installation video. All mounting hardware needed comes with the OEDRO Guardian running board. Locate the 3 mounting locations on your vehicle. Unscrew the 3 bolts. Hold the running board in place and bolt the brackets to the front and to the back of the pinch weld. Level and adjust the running board. Then tighten all the hardware. Repeat the same process for the other running board. The OEDRO Guardian running board has 3 different layers, so that you are sure it will never rust. The power-coated layer, the special electro-galvanized E-coat layer, and the carbon steel layer.